Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply separate application in Finland step by step. Start by confirming your eligibility with local authorities, then gather ID, income documents, and tenancy records. Complete the municipality form accurately, attach translations if needed, and submit in person or online where available. Keep copies of everything and note application reference numbers. Follow up within the stated processing times and respond promptly to any requests. In this video, I will explain how to apply separate application in Finland step by step. First, confirm your residency and municipal registration, then compare your income against eligibility thresholds. Gather official proof like payslips and benefit statements, and check whether filing separate affects joint tax or benefit entitlements. If unsure, consult a municipal service advisor or a certified counselor to avoid mistakes and delays in your application process. In this video, I will explain how to apply separate application in Finland step by step. Quick recommendation: if you find long waits tedious, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere. It's a handy companion during processing delays and appointments. If you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to apply separate application in Finland step by step. Next, complete the application form carefully with accurate personal and financial details, and attach certified translations for documents not in Finnish or Swedish. Choose the municipal e-service for faster processing or deliver in person if required, and request a receipt. Track your application using the reference number and respond quickly to any follow-up requests to keep things moving smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.